Hey folks, welcome back. This is Rick and it's Twin Brook Acres. So I started a drainage project back, a month or so ago, maybe 6 weeks ago, trying to get some drainage work done around my barn. I got the back part of the drainage work done, back part of the barn done, and then the cold weather set in, so I wasn't able to get the front side of the barn done. So we had some snow yesterday, and now we're having heavy rain. I want to show you why I did the drainage work that I did. So I'll show you the back side of the barn first where I did the drainage work, and then I'll show you the difference on the front side of the barn. So I'll turn this around and I'll show you what I did. So here's the back door to the barn, and I installed this Spee-D channel drain. Bought this at Lowe's. I ran the drainage, actually went around the side of the barn, brought some PVC, 4-inch PVC pipe down the side of the barn, down through here, hooked it into this drain assembly here, and then ran it down that way and then over to here and put a dry well in right over there. So you can see this is draining pretty well. I pitched this, probably can't see it too well here, but I pitched this down about 2 inches from the slab here for the barn down to the drain. It's about a 2-inch pitch there. I've got some water in here, but this is really just splashback. Rain hitting the concrete there and splashing back. And I can fix that easily. I'll just put something in here. One problem I have with the barn here is that the doors are on the inside of the framework. So the doors, when they're closed, are right around here somewhere. And here. So the rain splashes back onto the concrete here and then rolls in a little bit. And you can see it makes it a little wet here. But this is minor compared to what I have on the front side. And I'll show you that now. And here's the front side. So I don't have a channel drain here. I don't have any drainage in here. So the rain's coming down off the roof of the barn. Lands here. It's got nowhere to go. It's all ice built up here. And so what's happening is the water's running back into the barn. I had the same problem last year. I was hoping to get all this drainage work done before this winter, but I never made it. So I've got to get my tractor. I'm going to scrape down as far as I can. I got probably a couple of inches of ice built up there. I'm going to scrape that down as much as I can. I'll get rid of this snow here with the tractor so the water has somewhere to run. That goes downhill slightly that way, so I'll get the water, try to get the water to drain out that way. And then once I get that done, then I got to try to get as much of this water out of here as possible before it freezes. And it's going to start freezing again tonight. And I would have this lit up for you, but we have no power. So gotta kind of look in the dark. So I'll get the snow cleared out of the way here, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. Okay, kids, here's a tip for you. Always make sure you move your vehicles out of the way when you're doing tractor work, when you're doing snow clearing or other chores with your tractor. Because I'm clearing that out. And I said, that's not in the way. But then the tractor slid on the ice and the snowblower hit the side of the car. So always move your cars out of the way. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I got a lot of this slush cleaned out of here. So the water is able to drain out of here now. You might be able to see it running a little bit. It's running down that way. I've got the ice down probably about 1.5 inches below the slab. And I've swept a lot of the water out of here. I'll get some more later. I'm soaking wet and cold, so I'm going to go in and dry up, change my clothes, warm up a little bit, and then I'll come out and sweep some more of this out of here. I've got the vast majority of it. So that's why I need the drain channel here. Unfortunately, this whole house built probably about 1850, and the whole house is basically on grade. And the roadside there is just a little higher than the rest of the yard here. So I can't really raise much up. So I've got to do what I can with the house and the slab that I have. I think once I get that drain in there, that'll take care of 99% of the flooding issues. I'll still get a little bit of flooding in here, just a little bit along in here from the splashback, but I can fix that. I'll just devise something here to pitch the water away when it splashes back. That's an easy resolution. Well, folks, one more project down. Well, kind of. One more temporary fix down and out of the way. So I appreciate you watching. If it's your first time here, thanks for visiting. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.